Empowered by my inner fire, with every step I'll climb higher. Self-belief is my guiding flame. With confidence I'll make my name. I am empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free.
Yes! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Empowered Women Live. Hello sa lahat ng nunood from different parts of the world, whether you're watching from Europe, America, Canada, Middle East, or Asia, or anywhere else. Maraming salamat for taking the time to be here tonight. We truly appreciate your being part of this growing community. Today is extra special because we also celebrating International Women's Day. So, yes, celebrating Women's Day. Hello, ladies. Auguri. So, before anything else, let's take the moment to recognize and celebrate all amazing women around the world. Sa lahat ng mothers na walang sawang nag-aalaga sa kanilang pamilya, sa mga professionals na patuloy nagsumisumikap sa kanilang careers, at sa mga immigrants or OFW na malayo sa pamilya pero patuloy na lumalaban para sa magandang kinabukasan, sa mga entrepreneurs na may lakas ng loob na mangarap at gumawa ng paraan, at sa lahat ng caregivers at women na tahimik na nagsasakripisyo araw-araw. Saludo kami sa inyong lahat. Women are truly powerful and strong, resilient, loving, incredibly inspiring. Kahit
Amen.
maraming challenges, patuloy pa rin tayong bumabangon at patuloy na lumalaban para patuloy na nangangarap, right? And here in our community, we also celebrating progress. Every week, we see women stepping out of these comfort zones, learning new skills, showing up for themselves, and slowly building something better for their future. So congratulations sa lahat ng action takers, million achievers, at sa mga taong nagkaroon ng courage na magdesisyon na baguhin ang direksyon ng buhay nila. Hindi madaling magdesisyon na gumawa ng pagbabago. Minsan may doubts, may fears, at meron ding insecurities. But choosing growth, choosing freedom, and choosing better future for your family, it takes real courage. And because of people like you, our global community continues to grow. At mas marami na ngayon ang nagiging isang importanteng realization na hindi lang pala tayo dapat basta nag-work para mabuhay. Hindi lang tayo dapat pagod araw-araw at parang walang choice. People are starting to realize na that we have more from our life. More time for family, financial stability, at more freedom and more opportunity to grow. And tonight, we are going to talk about something very real, something that many people are experiencing right now, especially those who are working hard, but still feel like something is missing. So stay with us because this conversation might just open your mind and to a new possibilities.
Yes, thank you, Sis Rockhill. This topic is something that all women can relate, right? Sa lahat ng ating mga immigrants and hard-working parents na were raised to work hard, sacrifice, and provide to our family. And of course, eventually, many people also reach a quiet moment where they ask themselves, is this the life that I want for the next 10 years, 20, or 30 years? That realization can feel uncomfortable, right? But it also can become the beginning of transformation. So tonight, our speakers will share their reflections and experience. And of course, let's start to our host, Sis Roquel.
Yes, I'm here again. Hello. I'm Raquel Serrano. I'm working here and living in Milan, Italy. with my family. And I believe many people experience this moment quietly, that we are working very hard, fulfilling responsibilities, doing everything expected of you. But deep inside, question starts forming. Tulad ko na open book na sa lahat, na yung nagkaroon ako ng, nag, nagbuo kami ng pamilya at the very young age. Biruin nyo, at the age of 18 years old, may pamilya na ako, nag-19, nag-start na yung responsibility. Hindi katulad nung normal na at the age of 19, nag-aaral pa kami, ng asawa ko, ng husband ko ay nagtatrabaho na para sa aming pamilya, para sa aming maliit na pamilya. And at the end, nandito na kami parehas, ang mga anak ko, and then lumaki na sila, going forward, nagkaroon na sila ngayon, nag-i-start na sila ng sarili nilang buhay, ng sarili nilang pamilya. Doon na lumabas yung realization ko na something na kailangan ko na naman ng para sa sarili ko. It's a me time na, dahil tapos na ako sa mga, hindi naman talagang totally tapos na sa responsibility, pero siguro kailangan namang isipin na yung sarili namin at yung para sa future namin, para sa aming retirement, di ba? Yung realization na you want more life is yung actually, ito yun na yung sign na kailangan na naming mag-growth, hindi lang para sa financial, kundi yung mindset namin, dito ko naisip na kailangan kong magbago ng mindset para lumago, hindi lang pang sarili, di ba? Dito ako isip na maghanap ng ibang opportunities na kakaiba o malayo sa nakagulan naming trabaho. At ito na yung nakatulong sa akin at sa aking pamilya, sa aking sarili, sa mindset ko. At dahil dito sa business na to, nagbago ang perspective ko sa buhay. Nagkaroon ako ng purpose, mas malaking purpose, hindi lang para sa pamilya ko, at saka gusto ko na ngayong makatulong, hindi lang sa pamilya at sa ibang tao. Lalo-lalo na sa mga mami o OFW dyan at immigrants na mami na katulad ko. Gusto ko silang bigyan ng impact na hindi lang itong posisyon ng buhay na to ay pang matagalan, kundi meron pang ibang opportunities na naghihintay para sa amin, na para mas maganda ang maging future namin. Yun. And then, para sa aking susunod na ating speaker, Bernadette, have you ever experienced that kind of turning point?
Unmute, sis.
Yes, sorry. Oh, yes, of course, Sis Raquel. Also, those who doesn't know me yet, by the way, I am Bernadette, originally from Baguio City, Philippines, and now living here in Canada as an early childhood educator, a proud digital business owner, and a child of God. Yes, indeed, Sis Raquel, nakaka-relate ang maraming tao about our topic for today. So what happens after you realize you want more from life? So for me, yes, I do believe many people reach that moment when they begin thinking seriously about the future. So we work very hard every day, but sometimes we forget to pause and ask where all the effort is really leading. So for me, that realization opened my mind to exploring new possibilities. And that awareness is so powerful because it opens your eyes to a lot of possibilities you didn't even see before. So once you realize there may be another way to live, earn, or grow, your mindset begin to shift. So once felt like the only path suddenly becomes just one option away from many options. So that moment of awareness is where transformation begins. So you start questioning limits, exploring possibilities, and believing that change is really possible. The truth is, many people stay stuck not because they lack ability, but because they have never been exposed to different ways. So when you become aware, you begin to see that growth, freedom, and new possibilities are within your reach. And once your perspective changes, it becomes much harder to settle for less, the life you truly wanted. So I'm grateful and beyond thankful that I found this digital business among these beautiful ladies with me, and so proud digital business owner. So, of course, not only will experience these amazing benefits of this business. So, Mary Ann, what was your realization like?
Thank you, Sis B. Grabe yung energy ni Sis B. Nakakahawa. Kaya sobrang nasisiyahan talaga ako pagka nandito tayo, yung mga empowered na every Saturday and Sunday. Thank you, Sis B. So, by the way, ako po pala si Mary Ann. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a full-time sales administrator, and a part-time online mentor. Hello, everybody. So, ako po ay Tubo, Manila, Philippines, and currently now in the very cold Ontario, Canada. So yun, sa akin naman, my turning point came when I realized something very important in my life. So growing up, like many of us, tinuruan tayo na kapag masipag ka, magtrabaho ka, like everything will eventually work out. Sipag at syaga lang, and you'll move forward. Pero honestly, yun din naman ang mindset ko for many years. So before coming to Canada, I had a stable job in one of the biggest electrical companies in the Philippines. I was doing well, earning above minimum. And at that time, akala ko yun na talaga yung path ko. Pero everything changed nung nag-migrate yung buong pamilya namin dito sa Canada ng 2007. Hindi naging madali ang adjustment. Bagong country, environment, pati weather, di ba? From tropical to cold weather. Pero kailangang masanay. So like many immigrant families, we just focus on working hard, providing for the family, paying the bills, and building a stable life here. Pero along the way, napansin ko, working harder does not always mean moving forward. Yun napansin ko eh. Minsan kahit full-time ka nagtatrabaho, kahit ginagawa mo na naman lahat ng best mo, parang nasa same cycle ka pa rin. Gising, trabaho, bills, pahinga, tapos kinabukasan, gano'n na naman, di ba? Tapos yun na, pandemic, yun. That season really opened my eyes na kasi doon ko na-realize na even you're working hard and being responsible, sometimes circumstances beyond our control can still affect our stability pala. Alam mo yun, that's when I started thinking, maybe I need something like a plan B. Yeah. So yun, close friend ko, inintroduce tong online business sa akin. To be honest, skeptical. Diba? Alam mo, parang kaya ko ba to? Pero eventually, na-realize ko, there's something important. Many hardworking people stay in the same cycle, not because kulang sila sa sipag or dedication, pero hindi nila kasi alam na may option sila. Yun yung nalaman ko nung itong business na to. So, hindi ko naman iniwan ng trabaho ko eh. You know, I'm still working full-time, but I started building something on the side. Learning new skills, yes. Surrounding myself with people like this that I want to grow with, right? So ang golden nugget ko is sometimes one new idea, one opportunity, or even one conversation lang na, ano ba sis, ano ba ginagawa mo dyan, di ba? Can completely change the direction of your future. Kaya minsan ang kailangan lang talaga is maging open tayo or to learning something new. Kahit hindi natin alam, that one opportunity might be the thing that will shift our future. So Sis Girly, as our co-host tonight, what are your thoughts about this?
Thank you, Sis Mary Ann. As I listen tonight sa lahat ng nagbigay na ng kanilang mga thoughts, no, I realized na something is really important. So hindi many of us women, also especially immigrants, OFWs, we sacrifice our time and so much time for our family. So like me, I leave my family, my children in the Philippines just to support their needs, right? So ako na-realize ko na I want more nung stable na ako dito sa job ko. I can talk Norwegian. Parang yung routine ko everyday is just the same lang. So I really pray to God, Lord, ano ba talaga yung purpose ko dito sa mundong to? Kasi parang feeling ko stuck na ako dun sa ano lang yung mag-alaga ng mga matatanda. Every month naman mayroon kaming tag dito yung mag-upgrade ng aming natutunan, so may about sa dementia, something like that. So yung parang routine ko is about lang talaga sa work. Wala akong personal growth, wala din akong yung mindset na tama, wala. So talagang yun yung I want more, lalong-lalo pa nung nagkaroon na ako ng health issues. So doon ko na-realize na kahit anong work hard natin, hindi din pala enough yung yun lang yung natutunan natin, yung magtrabaho lang, mag-earn. Hindi lang siya ganun. So natutunan ko din talaga na hindi naman ungrateful na mag-want ka ng more, 'di ba? As in gusto ko ng mas may magandang future at gusto ko ng magandang personal growth, parang ganun. So, ang naano ko is, I really want more na hindi lang to earn more, but also the stability, time freedom, and of course, more time with my family. So, ito yung natutunan ko dito sa business na yung mindset at saka yung personal growth talaga is kakaiba. Dito nag-change talaga yung mindset ko unang-una. So it simply means that we want to create a life where our hard work lead to stability, freedom, and of course more time to our family. So yun, ang golden nuggets ko naman dito is the moment you ask yourself about change in your future, changing about your future. So, ito yung start na magiging change na yung buhay mo kung talagang mag-take ka ng action. So, and now I love to hear about what Sis Cherry want more in life.
Yes, hello everybody. I'm glad that I'm able to jump in a few minutes. And I was thinking about this because as you grow older, you want more for something that for your retirement, for the end of life. You know what I want to do in my life when I will depart here, right? So it's just for me. First, I want to share to you about when I see the what do you call gas price, and I said, what I want more. So now I have to buy more gas, pay more money for the gas instead of I want to travel more. So now I stop. I'm stuck because I said I want a road trip for the summer. Now what I will do because of this gas, right? So every day we have realization. That's what I'm thinking. 5 years ago when I jump in and had this business, I am really glad because everything shut down after that and everybody works online. So I'm very pleased because it shaped my mindset. It toned down, my always panicking or something because it's all a mindset how to deal all these struggles every day. So I'm glad. So now I have to deal this. Okay, the other price. So that we cannot go ahead of what our dreams, but every day there's a challenge. So what I'm trying to say here, there is no perfect timing to start for another side hustle, right? If you don't have it probably perfectly, this is the perfect time. There's no for tomorrow, because every day it's different challenges that we have to what do you call, to my mind is to every day we have different challenges to overcome, I mean. So what happened after you realize you want more in life? So at first, for sure, you're just quite thought about it, a feeling you can't ignore anymore. So you start asking deeper question. Is this the life that I want? Even sometimes you feel like comfortable, but tomorrow will be different struggles. Is there something more I meant to do? So then you feel aware and begin to realize. You notice the routines, even how much I work hard. Yesterday I was not here because I work, but I don't think it adds to my paycheck, because when I see the price of the gas, here I am. So every day is an exhaustion, of doing the same thing with no growth. The small voice inside me telling you can't, you telling you do that where you're created more. So, but realization always begin every day when when you see the challenges. So after that moment comes, we have to decide what to do. There is no tomorrow. Today you start exploring new possibilities. You begin learning things that you never thought about before. That's why I'm very grateful that I started this business 5 years ago, because this helped my blood pressure level. It helps me. Why? Because I have a proper mindset and I know where I'm going. I know this business will change big time of our lives. From personal growth, spiritual growth, social growth, everything, the holistic part of our lives. So you start exploring new possibilities tomorrow. So maybe for me, it's more of growing in this business. It's not like I will not look for possibilities, because I know this business has a lot of possibilities for you to grow. It is a holistic growth of our life. So don't be scared. You become open to opportunities once you open it. Risk, ask and learn. So growth doesn't always feel we are comfortable. Sometimes it's so scary. Sometimes you feel uncertain, but sometimes it feels like you have to start now. There's no tomorrow. How many times I said there's no tomorrow, but it also you feel like hope if you start. And tomorrow, today is a struggle, but tomorrow there's a hope, and there's some community that will help you grow if you are here in this business. We are here. We're beautiful, beautiful young ladies here. And I guess I'm the oldest here, but anyhow, I feel young, and you know, and I'm working for my retirement anyhow. But I'm glad that I started this. So create your future. There's no option. Decide right now. So if you want to stay in your position right now, so go ahead. It's your choice. And but remember, we have some options and opportunities out there to to, uh, to check and learn. I think that's my nuggets for today.
Yay, thank you so much, Ate Sherry. At may naririnig akong echo, kung ano man yan. Pa-off na lang. Yeah, ang dami talaga. Habang sinasabi mo yung fuel, yung gas, parang, yes, parang agree, super agree ako dyan. By the way, my name is Malu po and I am from Calgary, Alberta. I'm a mom of 3 and of course, sabi nga ni Ate B, a proud digital business owner. O, diba? So, ang ganda-ganda ng ating topic for today. Alam natin, many of us experience this kind of realization kung quietly, loudly, pero most of the time, it it's so quiet. Hindi siya palaging dramatic, 'di ba? Hindi siya parang sa movie na may big turning point. Sabi nga, most of the time it happens in silence kahit nasa shower ka or bago ka matulog or nasa washroom kung ano mang ginagawa. It's always happens in the silence kasi doon ka nagre-reflect, doon ka napapaisip ng kung ano. So there's no big moment, just a feeling deep inside your heart telling you that maybe life can be bigger than the routine that we're used to, 'di ba? So every day we wake up, we go to work, we take care of responsibilities, we support our families, yung paulit-ulit talaga na routine natin, 'di ba? And while we are grateful naman for all of that, there are moments na we start reflecting, especially ngayon with everything that's happening in the world. Let's be honest, 'di ba? Ang dami-daming uncertainties. Sabi nga ni si She, tomorrow, hindi natin alam if there's no tomorrow, 'di ba? So you have to think of the present. So prices are going up, jobs are changing, technology is evolving so fast, and sometimes it feels like there's no real stability na, 'di ba? So because of that, many people began to ask themselves deeper questions. Ang daming questions. Not out of fear, pero awareness, sabi nga ni Sis Bernadette. So you start asking things like, what else is possible? Ano pa yung mga posible? Meron pa ba opportunity hindi natin na-explore? Ano yung purpose natin mismo, di ba? Bago kami pumasok dito sa online business na to, ang dami naming questions. Ano yung mga bakit kami nandito? Is there another path, 'di ba, that would give you freedom, more growth and more security sa family, lalo na sa family natin kasi sila yung why natin, 'di ba? And when those questions start appearing sa ating mga utak, it begins to shift. We realize something that maybe we don't have to settle for less. Sabi nga, kung gusto mo, kung choice mo yan ang choice, kung gusto mo diyan ka pa din, yan ang choice mo, sabi nga ni Ate She. So, we don't have to settle feeling stuck. We don't have to settle for a life na yung dreams natin are always postponed, o sige later na lang or next year or next month, saka na pag ready ako, saka na pag confident ako, yung ganon. We don't have to rely on just one path kasi especially in a world that keeps changing, laging may changes. Ngayon mataas ang price ng ating gas, who knows, baka magdoble pa. Naku, wag naman sana, di ba, knock on wood. Pero you have that opportunity to explore. You have to explore. You have to choose to learn new skills. You have to choose to open yourself to new opportunities. Sabi nga, wag lang ano, parang sa kabayo, 'di ba? Meron tayong ganon. Ano tawag nila doon? Basta wag lang nakafocus sa isang direction. You have to build something that gives you more options and more possibilities.
Yes.
And we're all grateful na nandito kami para ipakita sa inyo at hopefully ma-inspired kayo, 'di ba? So sometimes yung mga malaking transformation, it doesn't start with big actions. It always with a single thought. Mapapaisip ka na lang talaga. A moment of curiosity, di ba? Meron nag-pop man itong feed na to, either i-consider mo to as a sign or whatever, pero you have to be willing to explore. So, ganun lang. And ang aking golden nuggets for today is, or aking takeaway, sometimes yung biggest change in lives with simple decision, yun yung mag-explore tayo, i-open natin yung mga utak natin dahil walang certain sa mundong ito. And we shouldn't be settling for less than the life na we know is possible. Kasi when you stop settling, when you stop settling, you start exploring. So, you have to discover, keep on discovering, keep on learning tulad namin. And I thank you. Nasaan na ang ating coach?
Okay, tama. Lahat tama sinabi mo, Sis Malu. And if tonight's discussion resonates with you, comment more in the chat. Dahil alam natin na marami sa inyo ang tahimik lang na nararamdaman lahat yung sinabi naming ladies sa inyo dito, Ben. Pero hindi natin, we don't talk about it. Dahil hindi natin alam kung hindi tayo sure or nahihiya tayo or hindi, marami tayong fear, may doubt. Pero sana lang magkaroon tayo ng open mind para sa lahat ng opportunities na sinabi namin, huwag ka tayong mag-settle. Sabi nga naman ni Sis Malu, okay? And if you're watching live, tell us which country you're watching from para mabati naman namin kayo, right? pass to you, our co-host, Girly.
Yes, thank you, Sis Raquel. For many of us here, that realization lead us to start learning about different ways to create opportunities about alongside our careers. Yeah, if you are curious about the path many of us started exploring right now, there is a free webinar every Tuesday and Thursday where everything is explained clearly about our business. You can watch it live or you can watch it also replay if you don't have time. So no pressure, no obligation, just information so you can understand how it works, right? So sometimes learning one new idea can completely change how you see your future. Yes, Sis Raquel?
So, tama. And balik tayo ulit dun sa ating ngayong International Women's Day. Hindi lang natin sineselebrate ang ating mga achievements. Sineselebrate din natin ang ating tapang at ng bawat babae. Ang pagkababae, ang tapang na mangarap at mas marami as mas malaking future. Yung tapang na mag-grow at mag-improve kahit maraming challenges. At ang tapang na nagbukas ng isip sa mga bagong possibilities para sa sarili natin at para sa pamilya. And because every woman deserves a life with more freedom, more choices, and more opportunities. And we honor every woman who continues to show up today. And this is a very a segue to all of you. Like my co-host said, na we have our webinar every Tuesday and Thursday. You can watch that, and if you're interested and curious about our online business, message us in every ladies here in our live session if you're interested and curious. Mas ang sabi ko nga, laging open mind tayo sa lahat ng opportunities na dumadaan sa buhay natin. You never know na ito yung makakapagpabago sa atin. And never stop growing and exploring new possibilities.
All right, tama yan, sis Raquel. So, ang masasabi ko rin naman dyan is your future deserves your courage. And by the way, guys, I just want to tell you guys that starting your digital business this March, there's an extension of our great deal. So you can start it with up to 3 times the commission by starting your digital business this March. So that is just an extension of a great deal to start your digital journey. So your future is actually nasa inyong mga kamay. You have the passion, you have everything, but all you need to do is take an action. So start your digital journey this March and earn up to $2,000 US. So there you go. That would be Sis Mary Ann.
Yes, so yun, gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina sa aking munting sharing, no? Kung dati hindi tayo, akala natin basta maging responsible lang at magtrabaho, okay na yun. Pero now we're giving you options, right? Stay open to learning new things. Yun lang masabi ko today. Thank you!
Ayun. Believe that life can expand beyond survival. Yung, kung gusto mong may pagbabago sa buhay mo, take action now.
Hello again. So if you want to build your future, don't be stuck with your fear. Start today and we're here to help you. So remember our website here. So just message everybody here or everyone you want to mentor you, and we're here to help you start.
Yes, and ready na ka na bang hindi mag-settle for less? Take that first step, try something new, and open that door na matagal mo nang iniisip. Life is bigger than routine and fear. So simulan mo na ngayon at makita mo the possibilities waiting for you are bigger than your imagine. Ito pa ang aking website, digitalmsconsulting.com, at ang aking page ay Digital Mompreneur Space. And back to you, host.
And yes, thank you for joining us tonight for another Empowered Women Live, and to all the incredible women watching around the world. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you, thank you. See you next week.
And continue supporting each other, growing together, and believing that more is possible. Good night, everyone, and we'll see you again next weekend. Bye.
Bye. Bye.